Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Dihazi Echo. If you're new here, I'm Wazir Dihaz, and this is your go-to place for everything Python. In our last video, we discussed why Python is one of the best languages to learn for programming. If you haven't seen that yet, don't forget to check it out, link in the description below. Alright, now let's dive into today's topic, variables in Python. This is a fundamental concept in programming, so understanding it will set you up for success as you continue to grow as a developer. So, what exactly is a variable in Python? Well, think of a variable as a storage box. Just like how you store things in a box, variables store data in your program. The cool thing is, you can change the contents of this box anytime you want, whether it's a number, a string, or even more complex data types. In Python, we don't need to specify what type of data a variable holds. Python automatically figures that out for us. In this example, we've created two variables, age, which holds the number 25, and name, which stores the string Dihazi. The great thing about Python is that we don't need to tell it what type of data age or name are. They are automatically assigned based on what we put inside the variable. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of data can we store in a variable? Well, Python has a lot of data types that we can work with. Here are a few common ones. Integers int. These are whole numbers, like 5, 10, or 100. Floating point numbers float. These are numbers with decimals, like 3.14 or 9.99. String streamer. Text, like hello, world, or your name. Booleans bool, true or false values. One last thing to mention, Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you don't need to declare the type of a variable before using it. The interpreter decides that for you, based on the value you assign. That's what makes Python so simple and beginner-friendly. To sum it up, variables in Python are essential for storing data that you can use and modify throughout your program. You can store different data types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans. And Python makes it really easy to work with variables, whether you're assigning them for the first time or updating them as your program runs. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Dihazi Echo so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help out.